Hey there, quick review on this MaxWorks rolling cart. This is the 16 by 30 cart. I'll talk about assembly first. You want to go ahead and read the instructions, only takes a second. Start with your top and then make sure that you put the handlebar on first before you try to put these legs on. This has to go on first before you put these legs because the legs lock the handle thing in place. The rest of the installation is a piece of cake. We'll attach the legs here with 3 Phillips head screws through those, and then this leg is tied together with bolts for the casters up top. It is pretty easy to go ahead and install these casters. It takes 4 bolts and you'll want a 1/2-inch nut driver. Goes pretty quick. It is nice. This bolt here ties in through the base and into this leg here and makes everything come together really strong. The casters you get are 5-inch casters. You're gonna have 2 swiveling casters and then 2 fixed casters that are not going to swivel. Make sure you get those on whichever end you prefer to steer with. I like to have my swiveling casters here on the back end with the handle. I will note there is no locking brake on any of these casters, so if you are using this on an uneven floor that's got a lot of pitch, this may want to roll on you a little bit as there won't be any way to lock the wheels. In terms of the overall construction strength, it doesn't rack very much at all. Everything is tied together really well. Quality of the plastic is excellent, feels nice and durable, and the way they have it designed here gives it a lot of strength while maintaining a nice lightweight cart. The cart is nice and lightweight. If you do need to move it around, you can do that, but it's not so lightweight that it feels cheap or like it's gonna break. I think it's a really nice balance between quality and weight. It does have a nice deep tray, top and bottom, to keep things from falling out. Over here on the handle, we've got a few different size trays as well as a cup holder. So overall, I think this is a really nice cart, very maneuverable, lightweight, and with this size, it's gonna go through door openings really easily as well. If this is a size that you're looking for, it's an excellent quality cart. It's gonna hold up for a long, long time, and it looks really good as well.